So you've decided, have you, to dive into the world of portrait photography? Well, congratulations, first of all. And you are watching this because you want to capture the essence of a person, don't you? You don't just want to capture their six pack, right? Oh, and if you are hoping to snap scantily clad women, well, I'm sorry, you're in the wrong channel, buddy. This is a one-way ticket to Characterville. It's not Bikini Beach. Now, let's talk about our favourite Instagram photographers, shall we? Hey, you know the ones I mean, I think. The ones who've mastered the ancient art of stopping randomly beautiful strangers on the street. I bet you $5 they spend more time asking, are you on Insta, than what's your story? Then they do their signature move, don't they? They blur the background, they tilt the camera just a little and click. Yep, another masterpiece that looks exactly like the last 999 masterpieces they took. But you, now you, my curious friend, you're striving for more, aren't you? I know you are. Portrait photography is not about, blurring the background and a fancy camera trick. No, it's the clarity of a person's story. It's about using light and surroundings to paint who they truly are. It's like being a detective, only with a camera instead of a magnifying glass. Although I am sure Sherlock Holmes would be very proud of you. So, how do you find these elusive characters out there in the wild? Well, I hate to break this to you, but there is no special secret club of hyper-winning models just rating around every corner. No, it's about using those keen observational skills of yours. Spot the interesting wrinkles, the glint in the eye, the laughter lines of a life well lived. A true character hides under every fedora. Yes, that's right, my aspiring paparazzi. You've just got to go out there and talk to people. I know, it's shocking, but smile, approach them, use the magic words, could I take your portrait, please? Works like a charm, I find, about 90% of the time. The other 10%, well, they probably just thought you were the paparazzi. And don't fret. Most people are genuinely nice. I know, that's a surprise, isn't it? All it takes is the genuine charm that I'm sure that you've got loads of. So go on, go out there, chat to some strangers and discover their stories. The more interesting the stranger, the better the shot's going to be. So get out, start snapping. Don't let them, see you practicing that photographer of the year pose, of course, in the mirror. You don't want them to get the wrong idea about you. Seriously, though, approaching strangers to ask for a portrait can be exciting, but it can be a little nerve-wracking as well. So I put together some tips to make the process smoother and increase your chances of getting the perfect shot of a complete stranger. So, number one, be friendly and approachable. You need to start with a warm smile and open body language. That's important. Show genuine interest and be respectful. People are more likely to respond positively if you approach them with kindness and with enthusiasm. Number two, have a clear introduction. Briefly explain to them who you are and why you'd like to take their portrait. And something simple as well, something like, hi, I'm rileyphotos, I'm a photographer and I'm working on a project about whatever, and I really love your style, love to take your portrait, would that be okay? It's just fairly simple, really, isn't it? Number three, compliment sincerely. You need to point out what specifically caught your eye about them. Maybe it's a unique hairstyle, a distinct outfit, a look, maybe just a captivating expression. But genuine compliments carry a lot of weight and they can build trust quickly. Number four, explain your intentions. Let them know what you're going to do with the photo, whether it's for a portfolio, social media project, maybe it's just for some practice. Be transparent with them about your intentions, and that can help ease any apprehensions that they might have. Number 5, offer to share the photo with them. Many people are more open to having the picture taken than you might think, especially if they'll see the result. So offer to send them a photo. I mean, after all, they've posed for the picture. Email them a copy. Number 6, respect their decision. Some people will decline, and if they do, just thank them politely anyway and just move on. Not everyone is comfortable, and that is okay. Keep the interaction positive all the time and respectful, and just smile and move away. Number 7, be quick and efficient. Respect their time by being prepared beforehand so you can be quick. Have your camera settings ready before you approach them so you're not messing around with the camera, and the process is smooth and efficient. Number 8, build rapport with small talk. Engage in a little small talk if they're open to it. This not only is going to help them feel a lot more comfortable, but it may even enhance the connection you have them with them, and that will be reflected in your portrait. And number 9, use non-invasive body language. I think this is a big one. Avoid getting too close right away. Maintain a respectful distance unless they're really comfortable with you stepping in. Just stay a little bit back. Number 10, show them your work. If possible, have your portfolio or some Instagram account or just some pictures on your phone to show them your style, your previous work, what you've done before. This can help to make them feel more confident about being photographed and show you're not just some weirdo that's never taken a picture before. Remember, each interaction is unique, so be adaptive and intuitive. Enjoy the process and, go out there, meet some amazing people and capture incredible stories along the way. Now, I think portraiture is one of the most important and most fun of all the photographic disciplines. I always have. If you'd like to know more about portraiture as a photographic genre, I've done a video about that where I include a lot of portraits that I've taken, and I tell you why I think portraiture is just that kind of step on from regular photography. And if you'd like to have a look at that, check out this link here.